Do you know what pump you need for your process? No? Do you know what spares you may need also? No? At Flexachem, we have all the pumps and spares you need. At Flexachem, we can supply you with centrifugal, diaphragm, double suction, end suction, line, multi-stage, peristaltic, submersible, and vertical pumps. Still unsure of what your requirements are? Yes! We'll make sure we help you with these difficult and crucial decisions. We'll ensure we supply you with the best possible equipment with a focus on lowest lifecycle cost. How easy is it to do this? 1, 2, 3. 1. Call us today on 021-461-7260. 2. Arrange your site visit and tell us about your pumping application. 3. We'll use our extensive pump knowledge and experience to provide the optimum solution. At Flexachem, we like to maintain a steady flow, and with our pumps, you will too.